Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add roles on Discord on your phone. First of all, open your Discord application on your phone and you have to click on your server name. Once your server is open, you have to click on this arrow icon just above the community. I will click on it and the new settings will, or the new option or the new menu will appear. You have to click on settings from here. On this page, you have to scroll all the way down until you see user management and roles. Under that, you will see roles. Click on it. From here, you will see all of the roles that you have already created. From here, you have to add a new role, and how you do it, you will click on the plus icon on the top right corner. Once clicked on it, you can give a name to your role. For example, I will name it as a YT tutorial role. Okay, this is the name of my, I can also modify the color. I will select the pink color. I don't know, it's a color or anything else, or you just can pick a color, anything. I don't want to comment anything. So you have to click on create. Once you have created a role, you will see so many options for members, moderators, or anything else. I will skip this option, and basically that's how you can add roles on your Discord mobile. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.